In this video, I am sharing 15 more digital product ideas great for 2021 and beyond. The first is 3D print files. 3D printers are much more common than they used to be, and you can create project files that are available for people that own these 3D printers to make on their own at home. As you can see on this website, cults3d.com, you can create an account and start selling your product. This site is a marketplace for 3D print designs, and you get 80% of anything you sell on this site, and they take a 20% commission. You can also sell on Etsy. As you can see, there are lots of people that are selling on Etsy. 3D print files, they are some best sellers, and there are various price points on 3D print files. It really depends on how difficult and how complicated and awesome your print file is. As you can see, there's one that's 99 cents and one that's 20 cents, and there's just a variety of price points here, but lots of room for you to make your mark with your product. Next is cookbooks, and not just any cookbooks, but very niche down cookbooks. As you can see, here's an example of someone that is selling their cookbooks on their website. If you type keto digital cookbook into Google, you land on this. Then there's things like autoimmune, paleo. As you can see, the more niche down, very specific type cookbooks can sell very well online because people are going to be searching for this type of product. This is a great digital product to add to your existing content if you're already doing a lot of free recipes and you have a very specific type of diet that you are promoting, like vegan or paleo or keto. There is still a lot of room for very focused cookbooks in 2021 and beyond. As we can see, this keto-friendly cookbook has over 3,000 sales on Etsy, and it is really simple looking, so it's a great option. Next digital product idea is copywriting templates. Copywriting templates are a great option for anyone that's a writer to make products that they can sell, so they're not always selling services. As you can see, this copywriting guide and a template is $9.99 on this person's website, and honestly, business owners and people that are trying to get online but want to either save time or have good copy that they don't have to create themselves can buy things like this. This is a great digital product idea, especially when it's tailored toward a specific business type, like this wedding coordinator template of emails. You get all these emails that save you time and help you run your business faster and better. So something like this is only $87 for the person to buy, but when you sell it over and over again, that's a great income source. The next digital product idea is courses. Courses take a lot more upfront work because you're building out a larger educational digital product, but they also command a higher sale price. So this course that I personally have used and recommend, there will be a link in the bio for it actually, is $147. So it's not a small price digital item, but you create it once and then you sometimes update it and provide more content, but you get to sell it over and over again. Many of the people I know that have YouTube channels or blogs have created courses to monetize their online influence and to teach what they know. So they're getting these sales every time they sell a course from knowledge that they've already accumulated and put into a product. It's a great option to create a product instead of doing one-on-one consulting or services, and I highly recommend the platform Teachable to do your courses. I've used it for some mini courses, and all of my friends that sell larger courses use Teachable and love it, so I'll leave a link down below in case you want to do courses as your digital product idea. It is a great option. You don't have to sell everything on platforms like Etsy. Teachable can give you your own website, but give you the functionality to create and sell a course. The next digital product idea is digital planners. Digital planners are really hot right now. They are actually a great option to add to your shop. Everyone that's adding them on Etsy is getting these bestseller badges because they are selling tons of them as more people transition from traditional planners to digital planning, which is very popular online. Personally, I'm a paper planner, and even I want to transition to using a digital planner, so I have thought about purchasing some of these once I get my iPad. They are a great option because you create it once and sell it over and over. The price point of many is around $10 to $15, and as you can see, they are selling like hotcakes. This shop has sold many digital planners. There is a lot of opportunity to create digital planners and then also create planner packs and bundles. So as you can see in this one, for $16, they're doing a value bundle with multiple digital planners in the pack. Another great idea is to do digital stickers. This goes along with digital planners. As you can see, it's a little bit lower price point, but they sell like crazy because again, digital planning is super popular right now. It is also still relatively new, so a lot of these products are going to last for years and be really popular good sellers for these shops. As you can see, they are already best sellers for these shops, and the digital stickers can range anywhere from like $5 to $2. It just depends on the style and what you're offering. There is a lot of flexibility here. There's also a lot of room for different styles and types of digital stickers because they are not as popular yet. They're not as saturated as regular stickers, so not as many shops are doing them. Yet the shops that are selling digital stickers like this one, they are selling a ton of them. They are in over 20 people's carts on Etsy. They are making lots of sales, as we can see from this person's sales history. A great digital product idea is how-to guides. This is a great option if you don't want to do a full course, but maybe you want to do an ebook or some resources all together in a little guide. There are lots of different options. For example, this polymer clay earrings guide is really popular. It's selling more than almost anything in this shop. Then there are things like printable hand lettering guides and worksheets. They are best sellers. So you can create a how-to guide on anything that you know how to do. These are craft related, but as you can see, there are multiple different types of these how-to guides and they cover a variety of topics. This one's how to succeed on Etsy. Anything you have a lot of knowledge in or can help people understand is a great option for a how-to guide. They are a great price point, around $10 to $15, even $20. As you can see, this business credit guide is $15.99. And in a shop with only 4 items, it is making a ton of sales. It is the most popular item this person is selling, and they are selling it over and over. The next one is also education. It is lesson plans. This is a very teacher specific one, but there are even websites where teachers can create digital products and sell them and make money on the side, like teacherspayteachers.com. Almost every teacher I know uses this website to buy lesson plans, and they are a great digital product because there are so many teachers out there that want to supplement what they're already doing, and you can create huge products by creating lessons and then bundling them all together, like this one for $48. It's got multiple lessons in it, and then each lesson is also individually for sale. It's a great way to add lots of different products to your shop, and people sell them on Etsy as well. They also sell lesson plan templates, lesson planners. There's all sorts of things around teachers and planning lessons that can be a great digital product. Teachers are almost always crunched for time and stressed during the school year, so anything you can create that can help them save time and make things easier in their life, like a planner, would be a great digital product idea that you can add to your shop, which is a way to serve the teacher market without actually having lesson plans to sell, but still around that idea of lesson plans. The next digital product idea is product mock-ups. This is a great option for a photographer looking to have another resource of digital products besides Lightroom presets or something like that. You can create mock-ups by taking the photos that other digital product creators will use to sell their products. Mock-ups can be anything from frames to t-shirts that the other digital product creators will then put their product in and make it better for sales. I personally have bought mock-ups from Etsy. I bought them from this shop who has over 120,000 sales of just product mock-ups. So they sell specifically t-shirt mock-ups. So when I was setting up a t-shirt shop from a print-on-demand company, I decided to use these mock-ups to help sell my shirts. The next product is real estate templates. This serves real estate agents specifically, but that is a huge market as there are lots of real estate agents in every city across the US and beyond. So you can create these real estate templates that help save realtors time and effort. There are lots of different ones already listed that are best sellers that we'll just look through here. For example, this transaction checklist is $4, and when we go to this shop, we see that they have sold a lot of related items like this. Real estate agents love to have stuff that looks good and professional, but they often don't have the design skills or want to learn how to make this stuff. So if you are making it, you can sell these things for $15 over and over again for agents to use with their own clients and just edit themselves. It's really a great product idea. This is a great market overall because these are people that are going to earn a lot of money when they make sales. So anything you can offer them that makes it easier for them to make a sale is going to be an asset. So they're not going to think twice about spending $97. The next digital product idea is resume templates. This is something that is very useful for people that are looking for work. And of course, there are a lot of people looking for work these days. And because of the world events that have been going on, this is going to be a bestseller probably for a while. And if you can create resume templates that will get people hired and stand out in the mix of all the free ones out there, this is something that people will pay for. With so much competition for jobs, people are wanting templates that make it easy and actually get them hired. So this is something that you can see this shop has been online for a while, but they have over 21,000 sales. Creating 29 products to sell 21,000 times is a great example of digital products making passive income. The next idea is spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are a great option if you are good with spreadsheets. It is a great digital product idea because people are not great at setting up their own spreadsheets, so they will definitely purchase these because of that. There's also a lot of variety in the products you could create here. This one example is a net worth wealth dashboard type spreadsheet, and this shop has over 3,000 sales just from doing wealth and net worth related spreadsheets, so people can track how much they have in assets. There are a lot of other options like doing them for real estate, for investments, for landlords. And as you can see from scrolling through, the price points on these are a lot higher than things like printables. So if you have a knack with spreadsheets, it is a great option to get into because these do sell well, but there are not as many people creating them. So the next digital product idea is test prep guides. And these are going to be things that are helpful for people taking specific tests like the CCRN exam review example I'm showing here. It is $20 to get all of the notes and test prep for this RN, this nurse test. I don't even know what this is, but clearly it's a bestseller and people are buying it. Here's another example. The BCBA exam study kit is $25 and this shop has sold many of them. These specialized tests in certain career fields are a great option to create digital products for because people are going to want to save time and learn the material faster so that they can pass the test to proceed in their career. So these are examples of digital product ideas that you could create if you know the info on a certain type of exam. As you can see, this shop has many different ones that they help people with, and they all have a lot of sales and people are still buying them. This is a great option for anyone that's perhaps a nurse or someone that has to take these tests regularly to pass them but wants to have a side income without having to work overtime. If you've taken notes or prepared for any type of test or gone through something like nursing school, you can bundle all of that knowledge and create a digital product to sell. This person is selling all their nursing school study guides for $64 in a bundle, and they are selling a lot of them. They are selling all of these $64 nursing school bundles, and it is a great product idea because nurses I know would love to buy this to speed up their learning time. The next digital product idea is video effects. This is something that is very specific to video production and video creators, but it's something that I personally would buy. There are things like stock footage and Premiere Pro templates that help you do things faster and make your videos a lot better. So you can buy them on sites like Envato, which their video specific site is called videohive.net. And as you can see, you can create these yourself, then sell the template to newbies like me who want to do better editing but don't have the skills. You can sell on sites like Envato. I actually recommend you do something that is very video specific so people are already there looking for it. And here you can sell templates and footage and effects, and it's all wrapped up in one website where people know to look for it. A site like Envato also allows you to choose your exclusivity. The next idea is wedding plans and tools. Weddings have been kind of on the back burner a lot in this past year, so a lot of people have pushed their weddings to 2021 and beyond, so this is a great option for the future. There are a lot of the printables, the very basic ones out there already on sites like Etsy, but this is still a good option for anyone that is in the wedding industry, either actual wedding planners or wedding bloggers. You can do also templates and timelines, and there are lots of different ways to take the wedding plans and tools that you use with your existing clients, and then you can also do them for wedding planners. So there's two different markets in the wedding industry. You can sell either to wedding planners or wedding professionals or to brides, and that gives you a lot of options with this particular product idea. Those are 15 ideas to go into the future with, but if you missed the video on 60 digital product ideas, watch that now. It is full of a lot of different ideas and will give you a lot of inspiration for selling online and creating a passive income with digital products.